No, I am sick as a dog right now. I've been sick for several days. I don't know if it with something like the stomach flu. So sorry for the weird posting schedule. But this morning I saw Izzy. Why is it zoomed in? But I saw Izzy nesting or hay stashing. She was gathering stuff in her mouth and putting it in this blue nest box. So I'm gonna check and see her progress and wanted to bring y'all along too. Wow, look at all that. There's no babies, but she's definitely put a whole bunch of stuff in here. Wow. We could be having our first litter of the breeding season pretty soon. Nesting's always a good sign.